Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, it's fine. You can just watch along. And yeah, so in my previous videos, I haven't been doing much on web development. I wasn't doing web development tutorials too much. I was focused on Java programming because I was obsessed with programming, and I think it's time for me to do these videos. This video is for second year IT students at Demlin College. So okay, let me just quickly say what web development is all about. It's all about creating web pages, websites, all those things, right? We all know that. So now the difference with programming, you use separate languages. Programming creates applications, and you use separate languages such as Python, Java, and all that stuff. Web development, they use languages that need each other. They work together. So you're going to use your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all those features, all those languages. So in your web development 2A, you're going to be dealing with HTML and CSS. Web development 2B, you're going to be using JavaScript. All right, so let me get right into it. So the software we use is called Notepad++. I prefer using Notepad++ because it gives you the best learning experience. So basically, we're going to start with HTML basics. We're going to open tag. This is very important, open tag. I'm just going to teach you the basics, and then we'll go through the assignment that you were given. So we do like HTML, and yeah, we start off by this, then we do head. You can research on HTML tag sheets. They help you very nicely on how to get this done. And we're going to try HTML. We're going to try title. I'll explain to you briefly how these things happen. I'm going to say cool web page, right? Cool web page. So HTML is all about creating structure, texts, things like that. When it comes to JavaScript, HTML creates structure, words on the web page or website. That's what it's used for. If you want to leave your code like this, it's fine, or you want to leave it like this, it's fine. However way, it doesn't matter. So HTML creates an image, like structure, words. CSS creates color. It makes it look the web page look more attractive and beautiful. But when it comes to JavaScript, it makes things look more, it makes the website look more interactive function. For example, for a woman, you use HTML to create a woman, and for CSS you give that woman a color, makeup, all that stuff, red, make the dress red, all that stuff. For JavaScript, you make that woman function, like she starts walking. That's how it is when it comes to web development. So all this is HTML, and we're gonna create okay, so we're gonna create a style. All right, and this style, forgive me guys, I'm not really good with web development. I was okay with it, but not like the best. So I'm gonna put a full stop and say maybe my color, and then and then we open like this. We don't do this, right? We press shift and then so we're gonna call this color, and the color will give it red. Now we will go after head, we say body, and the body, close tag always, right? Then we say h1, it means heading 1 will be hello. Hello world. Right? H2 will be my name is Willie. So this is how you do it, right? And so now we save. We can say Control S, but then it's best if we go here to make, click on file, and then we say save, and then we save it as what? We go here and we'll save it as hypertext markup language file, HTML file, and then you choose wherever direction you want to save it and call this, oh sorry, I should have clicked here, my first web page. All right, we save it that here, and then we say click. Okay, so let's just say you were halfway coding, right? I prefer you to still save because you might lose things, but yeah, so that's how you do it. And yeah, so okay, so I don't know, yeah, I was looking for this thing, yo Jesus. Yeah, so now you saved it and watch the magic. So now we're gonna look for thingy. Now, so now you're like, okay, sharp. So you need to understand that the cool web page is here. You see it says cool web page is going to be here. That's what the title is used for. Now hello world, you see this is big. This one, this is bigger than the one at the bottom. So it's this one, H1, and this is H2. Now you are wondering, what was the point of color? Why did I set up this tag? Okay, all of this is HTML. This is CSS. Do you see those guys work together? And I'm going to show you how it works. So now you say class is equal to my color, and we can click here to save, and then boom, this is yellow. I mean, it's red. I can't read colors. Wow. So we can call this my red. We can call this red if you want, my red. For some reason, I don't know why I said that. Then we can create another one and say my blue, or call it whatever you like, guys. And then we say color blue, right? And when we go here, we could go here and say class is equal to, we can change this and correct this. Since this doesn't exist, we say my red, and then now here at the bottom it says my blue, and watch the beauty. Now red, blue, we can swap them like real quick. We can swap them and say red. We could do like this, red. Oh, I didn't save. You see what happens? And now they're both red, and we can go here and say blue. And then now when you save, it's now blue. There are a lot of functionalities you can do with CSS. I understand that you can do this with HTML alone, but CSS makes it for you to code easier. And also there are a lot of other functionalities that HTML cannot do that CSS can't. There's a lot of functionalities that HTML cannot do that CSS can do, you know. So that's the, you see, so that's what it's all about. Now you understand how this all works, right? Let's go to the assignment. Okay, I think I should do the assignment in my next video. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, guys. My YouTube video. I hope This gives you a basic understanding of how to get started when it comes to web development 2A. And yeah, check out the next video for assignment assistance.